The microwave oven emerged from radar technology after World War II, turning kitchens into hubs of speed and becoming a symbol of post-war optimism. Its chrome and glass form, pastel interiors, and simple controls echoed 1950s aesthetics, transforming a utilitarian appliance into sculpture. As more women joined the workforce, it reshaped daily life, condensing meals into seconds and giving intuitive interfaces. Engineers pursued legibility and accessibility, stripping ornament and embracing modular interiors that reflect art movements valuing function as beauty. Today it stands as a cultural artifact of rapid change, linking engineering precision with artistic vision and a distinct social spirit.